Thomas Hill here with CD Technology, and this week's tech tip. Do you know on your computer you've got all kinds of software that you've installed? You've installed Adobe PDF readers, you've installed QuickBooks, you've installed Chrome browsers. I'm sure there's probably dozens of different types of software that you've installed on your computer. One thing to keep in mind is if you've installed it, you've got to update it. Now, if you're a CD Technology customer, we take care of that for you. We automatically patch all those third-party applications. But if you're not, it's really important to understand that if you install it, QuickBooks, Chrome, Adobe, whatever it is, you need to go in periodically and make sure that it automatically updates to the newest software. Because if you don't have the newest software installed and there ends up being some sort of a vulnerability with that software, well, that's how cyber criminals get into your computer. Thomas Hill here with CD Technology and this week's tech tip.